you miss all the shots you guys don't take.
Alright, you see the old ones and the new ones. Let's go. Install this and see how it's gonna look.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with another video. As you could tell, we are in the workshop as usual.
Tsx behind me. She kind of dirty, man. I gotta start using the damn Tsx wax that I bought. You know, this Tsx wax stuff. Today's video, I shall be installing these beautiful motor mounts inside the car, just getting them seated in there, prepped for whenever, you know, I have a motor to pop in. But in last video, where I went to drop off all my parts to the rebuilder, dude named Barry, real cool guy, and then getting the ride along with the Tsx, so I hope you guys check that out. Put the link in the description. Like everything else, all the social medias and website, all that stuff is always in the description, so go check that out. Along with the motor mounts, we're gonna be installing these fog lights that I discussed. My boy, Lauro, longtime supporter, homie, always helping me out and whatnot. He sent me these, and he also sent me ARP flywheel bolts. So shout out to you, man. I know you always be watching, supporting, so thank you so much, bro. These are dual color changing fog lights. I've never seen it before, but he says, like, you know, you click it, the fog light thing once, turn it off, click it back again, and it like switches the thing. 3000K gold and yellow and 6500K white. So we gonna see how it looks, test it out and whatnot. Enough of this talking, let's try to get into this video. Oh, my door's locked. Why my door's locked? Where are my keys at? Got these motor mount bolts for her. There's some slash and white. This one lines up over her like that. Alright guys, so I didn't have any WD-40, but you know, we got our trusty PB blast, so you already know what it is. Come in over her and spray our little holes. Pause. So these bolts are, you know, a little rusty, so I'm gonna spray some PB blaster on them as well. While the PB blast is penetrating and whatever, since we're doing the fog lights and whatnot, and I feel like I get access to it, I'm gonna show you guys how they look right now. Turn off the lights. So I gotta buy new headlight bulbs, so hey, if any of you guys wanna hook your boy up with some nice, like, cool white headlight bulbs or whatnot, I'll shout you out, man. As you can see, like, these things aren't doing dick. They barely do shit, man. I want to get new headlights, like the Euro R headlights, because, you know, that's my build and whatnot. I don't want to spend that money right now for headlights because I'm going through the rebuild shit. I just need to get new bulbs and possibly try to, you know, buff this out and clean it up. See if I can swap these bulbs out and see if it's going to work with the fog lights. Alright, so I had to lift my car off the ground so I could take out the wheels and get these damn screws out of this fucking corner. Makes it a little bit easier. I could have probably done this in the car, but some things were a little bit more hidden. You just come in here. And there you are. Same thing on this side. Turn it. Oof. These little piece of poopies. Shout out to my boy Lauro again. These are the bigger bulbs. Should work, pretty sure. So let's see. They are quite bulkier. We'll see. There we are. Look at that. Pretty good, pretty good. We got damn shucker buggers in there. Look at that, look at that. I like do one thing and I started looking at it, I'm like, damn man, I could do this right now because I got this off, and I start with that and get frustrated and start doing this and that. I want to get this video done and out the way. Something I've been meaning to do because my homeboy Lauro sent me those fog light, and I want to try it out, see if I could get the two different colors to show and whatnot. Just get things going. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Much appreciated for all the growth and support. I think about you every day, and I'm super grateful and thankful for just everything and all the growth and all the support, and I can't say that enough every video, so thank you. Damn headlight gaps, man. TSXs are notorious for that. We'll fix that someday. Just not right now.
It's like the headlight bracket sag.
Definitely the little
Black tab bracket that holds and clips this stuff in is just, I don't know, it's messed up. I didn't really have to take off my bumper. You know, Mr. Smooth Brain never fails. Does the little extra. All I had to do was really take off my wheel and I'd be able to get up under there and, you know, just gotta plug back in. I'm gonna put the tabs and all things back on. All right, we got all the clips on. It's always nice to have extra clips, different sizes and whatnot, just in case on brakes or you lose one. I got it off Amazon, I'm pretty sure. It's nice to have those, so go on Amazon or eBay and you cop yourself some just to be, you know, safe. This on there ain't going nowhere, guys. Put the keys in and see if it changed or if it's working. The connection was a little bit weird. It wasn't like clicking into the bulbs. So I'm like, hopefully it's gonna work. Oh, look at that. See, if I had the headlights, it would definitely match that perfect. It's looking pretty cool. I just wish I could have only the fog lights on. See if that'll switch the color to yellow. Oh shit. My boy Lauro, man. That is sick as f. Honestly, that is sick. Look at that. Sheesh. See that deep yellow? Look at that color is putting off. That is sick. Damn, I didn't even know they had something like this, man. Alright guys, now that we got fog lights installed, shout out to you, my boy Lauro, man. Much appreciated. Dope as fuck, you know? Dope as fuck. But now I gotta put on these dang motor mounts. And my boy Lauro, the one that sent, you know, these fog lights, actually made an installation video that I checked out on YouTube. I'm gonna actually link that in the description, so you guys go check it out. Show him some love on his page. Go leave him some comments so he starts doing some YouTube videos again too. Make sure you guys go leave some comments on his video and tell him to, you know, keep making videos, producing, because he's very knowledgeable too. I always encourage my boys to show their work and just record and post it, and you know, you never know what could happen. So you miss all the shots you guys don't take. And if you guys want to record, you guys been wanting to do YouTube or anything like that, and you guys just discouraged or don't know how to start, or I don't know, camera shy, or don't know what cameras to get, what gear, what this, that, and whatnot, editing software, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram or leave your comments down below, and I will answer any and every question you guys got. Or my girl can too, because she's, you know, the editing savvy and whatnot with all these videos. What it really is, guys, is just staying dedicated and consistent and just trying to put out the best content that you can with what you got, working with it and showing the real deal, the good, the bad, because people don't like that fake shit. They're gonna see right through it. And I know you guys do too. You guys see all the realism of what goes on, because I show you the good and the bad. Hope you guys enjoy that. Enjoy this community, man. We've been growing strong each and every single day, and I'm super grateful and thankful. So that being said, let me just get back with this and just get it on and proceed with the day, because a video got posted like 30 minutes ago, so I need to go promote it, go share some stuff. You know, your boy always promoting every single day and just trying to grow. Homie Lauro mentioned in the videos is that these came kind of loose on his, so just to double check. Yeah, see? Just to double check and make sure these are tight. You got it tight. Now I gotta go put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Get that beauty on there. Y'all see that shit, folks? We're gonna come hit it with the extension on. here and make sure this shit is good. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Damn, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know, I may have to end up buying some new bolts before I end up popping this motor in and getting new bolts on, because you know, you get a fresh part, then you look at the bolt, compared to that, you know, it just looks ugly and a little OCD-ness. Let me get to the others. All right, so there is the two similar motor mounts. Smaller one, I believe, goes in the back. You'll be able to just notice on how it lines up because you won't be able to get the bolts through. You guys get the gif. It's not hard, especially if you have all this room. Clearly not a how-to. You need to remove a couple things and it'll be all a bunch of other shit in your way and whatnot. But like I said, I am going to link Lauro's video down in the description. For the most part, he got everything, kind of showing you how to do it. If you're kind of mechanically inclined, you could get it done. If you got rust, good luck. Alright guys, so I didn't even realize this. On the bracket itself, it says R. And it says F, so clearly front, and then this one's rear. I'm gonna put that right there. That's right good there. Then we're gonna put that right there. Okay, I just wanted to mention that because honestly I just realized that. As you could tell, we got them on. That one there, got that one right there. Your boy is sweating. Being this hot and muggy in December is definitely really weird. Something I'm gonna get used to, and it's not even summertime yet, so I could only imagine when it is summertime. It's probably not a short video because how I make my videos, they're not too short. I record a lot. We got a little bit done. Got the fog light stuff, which is really cool. I wanted to do that and see, you know, how the double light, different colors work. Innovative mounts are in. Those are looking spiffy. I can't wait to, you know, feel stiffness and the high racing shifter and the preciseness of that. I just can't wait to drive Tsx again. If you guys know, I've been excited. This rebuild's been extensive and I've been bringing you guys that content. That's gonna be it for this little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys tune in to the next videos or check out all the previous ones. We have so much to look at. So thank you guys for tuning in. Leave your comments down below what you guys want to see. It is your boy Rish and I'm out. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.